Hi, what's up guys? How you doing today? And for those who are new here, my name is Lothar. I'm from Düsseldorf, Germany, and my channel is about tech gear, cameras, photography, videos, traveling, lifestyle. I love tech, and that's why I make this video. I really appreciate that you come back to my channel. Normally I don't make an unboxing video because I feel an unboxing video is really boring. But today I'm really excited to unbox the Insta360 Go. I mean, the Insta360 Go came, I think, about 3 months back to the market, and I was thinking, do I have to buy the Insta360 Go? Because I have a Insta360X. I have a GoPro with a nice, which I definitely recommend, with a nice Rode video mic. I'm having it's an older one, Canon 70D. I'm having a Canon M50, which make the tabletop now for the unboxing, and I'm recording with the Canon EOS R. By the way, I have also a Mavic Pro. So why I need another camera? And it's really interesting that I decided not to buy the camera first. But yesterday, as far as I know, it's only especially in Apple stores that there's an Insta360 Go in a bundle. So let's start. With the unboxing. This will be a small unboxing, not a big thing, but I will explain what is inside. So let's unbox. You saw in the beginning, in the screen on the left side, there was my softbox. So I put the softbox now a little bit away from me. Try to look to all the details. Let's start with the unboxing. Ta-da! That's the reason why I want to show this unboxing video, because I like things like this that are nice in a nice bag, you can see. And then I opened the box, and that inspired me. You have to make an unboxing because it's awesome what is in this box. So I will open the box. Ta-da! So when I saw this in the box, I said, wow, 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 wow. So first of all, I mean, here is the Insta360 Go. This tiny little thing. Pretty amazing. Almost like my finger. The charging case has some rubber piece to protect the lighting adapter for the iPhone. I know the people now are saying, oh, why you having only this for the iPhone? I don't know. But you can have a cable which also works for Android. So you connect it with the charging case, and there's the USB Type-C where you can connect it to the Android cell phone. What else is in the box? This magnet pendant. This pendant is quite cool. Put under your shirt. Take the Insta360, and if you press the button one time, you start recording. I don't want to go too much into the details because there are other reviews about the Insta360 Go, but I just want to show the beautiful box, beautiful case with the bundle. The next thing is the pivot stand. Therefore, you need this thing, and then you put it over there. You have the pivot stand. So you can also make it in all directions. Pretty cool. What is this? This is the ring. I'll show you later what you can do with this ring. There's an easy grip and another mount adapter, and then you can make the mount adapter on the easy grip. No, before you start to make the Insta Go to the mount adapter, you have to put it first into the mount adapter and then on top of the easy grip. And then you have a selfie stick. Very cool. I don't think I need this because as you saw, I used to bring it on my one-wheel pint. Therefore you have this thing. Come on. So therefore you have this thing. This is the sticky base. The sticky base, reapply this cover after use. If stickiness decreases, clean with water and dry for reuse. Okay. So I put that on the one wheel, and then because the Insta360 Go in the back part, it's magnetic, so you click it on this sticky base. Easy. So, and if you're traveling, you just use the case, and every time if you put everything inside, you know you're ready to go with the Insta360 Go. So this video is sadly not sponsored by Insta360 Go. I just went yesterday to the Apple store in Düsseldorf and bought it for myself. As I said in the beginning, I just make a review of this bundle. If you want to see more, you can down below make a comment, and if you don't want, you can go also to Peter McKinnon or Matti Hipoja. They are quite better than me and make an excellent review about the Insta360 Go. Hope you enjoyed the video. All the best. Have a good one. Peace.